Hello and welcome to Monk's Walk, where today we are filming a construction update for Thorpe Park. Obviously we can't go inside, but as our daily exercise, seeing as we're quite close, we've brought our dog and we are going to check out what's going on. Now it's very muddy here today, so there's certainly going to be a lot of slipping and sliding around Monk's Walk, but I'll try my best to get some good angles and yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, we are walking past Loggers Leap. This has obviously been sat SVNO for 6 years now. Obviously no word on removal yet, and I doubt there will be for quite some time, but it's still standing there. Just wanted to let you know nothing has changed with that. So unfortunately we won't be able to go around to the lake and get the view over at the front of Thorpe Park because it's completely flooded. The mud here is not great today and yeah, we won't be able to do that. But at the moment we are just passing around what looks to be the new finale of platform 15. I'm not sure exactly if it is because I didn't end up doing it, but if it is, then there you go. So here we have the wonderful Nemesis Inferno. Still hasn't had its repaint, but oh well. I must say, there isn't as much going on in the park as I thought there would be. I thought there'd be a lot of winter maintenance, but we just went round to have a look at Zodiac and Vortex, which are the only two flat rides we could see before we got flooded. And they looked pretty much identical to how they were, like they weren't stripped or anything. Yeah, I'm not sure. And here we have the layout of Nemesis Inferno. Just gonna make my way around the top. Yep. It's all there. No scaffolding up. No train on the brake run. There was a train on the brake run when I went round here last November, but yep, that's all looking good. Just walking beside Nemesis Inferno's exit path, I always loved how this side of the building just isn't themed at all. I mean, I guess it doesn't need to be, but for people coming around the entrance, it's a bit jarring, I guess. So if we put our camera here, we can see right down past Nemesis Inferno's pre-drop and down towards Amity Speedway and Storm in a Teacup. And with Storm in a Teacup, it looks like the teacups are wrapped up. I could be wrong on that one, but at least that's what I see. And this is also pretty much the only angle we'll get of Swarm and Tidal Wave, because they're right back other end of the park. You won't see those again. And of course we have the icon of the park right at the end of the walk, Stealth. And you can pretty much see this from anywhere on the walk, to be honest, but the best angle's here, so I'm showing it here. I gotta say, this one was a pretty short update. There wasn't a lot to see, plus the fact that we couldn't get around to the lake. So I'm probably gonna end it here. So thank you all for watching. I'll probably be back here again sometime, I don't know. But yeah, with all that being said, that's me signing off.